Volkswagen T4. If you ever come across a problem, you indicate, well, you think you're indicating, but there's no response to that. It's not necessarily a problem if you put your indicator on and try to wobble, well, flicker the switch. See? Now it come on. It wasn't fully pressed, it's a bit stuck. Even if you press it, actually when you press it, it actually comes back to normal. But sometimes it gets stuck halfway up, so it's not flashing the hazards and it's not allowing you to indicate a turn. The other problem I got on my van, even if you pull that back, that comes back into hazards. If you switch it off, it will indicate left. If you flick it right, it will not. If you kind of pull it slightly, it comes back to life. There's a problem in the contacts on the end of the mechanism on the stock, basically. That's it. So if you ever get stuck with no indicators, check that this switch hasn't been pressed. Okay.
It is